So how fast exactly are sport bikes, or more specifically, the Ducati 959 Panigale? Why anything above 600 is pretty much, I mean, more than plenty fast enough for most people. I don't think people really grasp how fast these actually are. So I'm just going to do a real simple test of like a couple gears and max out a couple gears and see where each gear takes you speed-wise, just so you can see how crazy these bikes actually are. And I think you're going to be actually really surprised, if you don't know much about motorcycles, how fast second gear is in a 959 Panigale. And that's just this bike. Leader bikes are even faster than this. I think if you don't know much about bikes, you're going to be thoroughly shocked about how fast these things are. So let's give it a little try. Oh, here we go with this again. Put it down, we'll go back up, change the gear a little bit, see if we're in neutral. Oh, this bike. Why does it do this to me? I'm telling you, this is becoming a serious problem. Here, let's put the kickstand down. Now let's try. Oh my God. Still don't have an answer for this. We have a miracle. There is life. I don't know what I did, but I just kept playing around, and for some reason, sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't.
All right, so it looks like we have some bad weather coming in, so we're gonna have to be quick. Now, I'm not gonna burn through the gears. I'm just gonna pick a single gear, see how long it takes me till red line, so you can see just how fast each gear is going to take you. Now this bike is 6 gears. We'll wind out second right here so you can kind of see where second takes us. Okay, so we're first gear, second, let's take it out a bit. I didn't even get to red line right there. I don't think. We might have got close. Little first gear. So that time we were to red line. And I don't know if you saw where first gear took us. We'll take second gear out again. I think when we came over that hump, we caught a little air, so I let off. These Pennsylvania roads are not ideal, to say the least. I think I'm just going to stick to first and second gear. I don't want to get too crazy with it because these roads around here suck, and I don't want to go out to a highway right now because they're calling for rain. Kind of looks like it's going to rain, and I don't want to get stuck out in the rain. So as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.